what do we got today? We got this bad boy right here to put together. The only one I could find. Got to put this together today. And got to put this together. So I'm gonna start off with the chair because I don't feel like working standing up. So once I put this together, then I'll start, I guess, with the bigger one. And then that thing over there finally. This is where the engine is gonna sit. Now that the garage is empty, you guys can see, like, it looks like a lot, but it's just organized. I want to put like a shelf up here so I could like pick up these buckets and shit off the ground. Kind of like the shelves that you see, well, they white. Like this is kind of like the crap that you put in your closet. I'll just have to find the studs and then put it up there. So to make the garage look a lot cleaner. I did order something, as Alec calls it. It looks like a Demogorgon. It's a thing that you screw on. It's supposed to be like really bright LED lights. So that gets here today. I can't wait to put that on. Because this crappy ass light, I could barely see anything. I mean, it's good right now, but when it gets really dark, you can hardly see anything. And this damn light bulb right here doesn't seem like to be working. Oh, it doesn't have one there. It's just that little ass crappy thing. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this. I'll put you guys on my forehead so I can get this on video. But yeah, let's get started. So, first impressions, not bad at all. Like this thing. One down, get out of the other ones. Let's go. So now it's time to start with this big old thing. Man, this shit was heavy. There it is, all put together. There's two things down now. Whew. Shit took forever, what a mess. Gotta go ahead and take all this crap to the dump. About to start loading it up in the Z so I can make some room in here so I can build that last thing right here. That took a while. Put everything in the Z. Now last piece to the puzzle, that's already done. Pretty big, nice and easy to use. Took me a second to build it, but got it done. Now here we go. Time to get this engine stand ready. There it is. We got the stand, the engine hoist. It's a cool little chair. You guys saw me earlier use it. And we just finished building the engine stand. Next video is gonna be getting the car apart and putting the engine on the stand, pulling everything out.
A few moments later.
Go.